But bilang Pilipino, who's been trying to help in campaigns all this time, and yet here you are still calculating every single piece, every single motivation. What's the emotion in you when you now calculate all the possibilities that could go wrong or could go right?
Hopeful. No? Kaya
Pa rin?
nakangiti. No? Nakangiti. Dahil ang feeling ko, we've survived the worst. No? At ang tingin ko, we have a lot of lessons na pwedeng gamitin dito sa mga immediate and future na labanan. No? Pero, you have to present your case. No? Kinakailangan mong ayusin din yung iyong presentation. Kaya, sabi ko nga, before you go public, do your assignment, do your work, do your groundwork. No? And then, present it publicly. No? Yun naman yung... Kaya, yeah. Pero, inuulit ko, the main battle is 2028. Yan yung labanan. Bagaman, ito ay appetizer for that. No? Ay, hindi pa ako na-nervyusin dito sa midterms.